Windows 8 has 4 editions, with varying feature sets. Editions: Windows 8. Windows 8 is the basic edition of Windows for the IA32 and x64 architectures. Documentation obtained from the ImageX tool and Paul Thurrott's book on Windows 8 also refer to this edition as Core. This edition contains features aimed at the home market segment and provides all of the basic new Windows 8 features including the Start screen with semantic zoom, live tiles, Windows Store, Internet Explorer 10, Connected Standby, Microsoft account integration, the Windows desktop and more. Windows 8 Pro. Windows 8 Pro is comparable to Windows 7 Professional and Ultimate and is targeted towards enthusiasts and business users. It includes all the features of Windows 8. Additional features include the ability to receive remote desktop connections, the ability to participate in a Windows Server domain, encrypting file system, Hyper-V, and virtual hard disk booting, group policy as well as BitLocker and BitLocker to go. Windows Media Center functionality is available only for Windows 8 Pro as a separate software package. Windows 8 Enterprise. Windows 8 Enterprise provides all the features in Windows 8 Pro, with additional features to assist with IT organization. This edition is available to software assurance customers, as well as MSDN and TechNet Professional subscribers, and was released on August 16, 2012. Windows RT. Windows RT is only available pre-installed on ARM-based devices such as tablet PCs. It includes touch-optimized desktop versions of the basic set of Office 2013 applications to use as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote, and supports device encryption capabilities. Several business-focused features such as group policy and domain support are not included. Software for Windows RT can be either downloaded from Windows Store or sideloaded, although sideloading on Windows RT must first be enabled by purchasing additional licenses through Microsoft Volume Licensing Outlet. Desktop software that run on previous versions of Windows cannot be run on Windows RT as Windows Store apps are based on Windows Runtime API which differs from the traditional apps. According to Connect, these essential differences may raise the question of whether Windows RT is an edition of Windows. In a conversation with Mozilla, Microsoft Deputy General Counsel David Heiner was reported to have said Windows RT isn't Windows anymore. Mozilla General Counsel, however, dismissed the assertion on the basis that Windows RT has the same user interface, application programming interface and update mechanism. Unlike Windows Vista and Windows 7, there are no Starter, Home Basic, Home Premium, or Ultimate editions. Regional restrictions and variations. All mentioned editions have the ability to use language packs, enabling multiple user interface languages. However, in China and other emerging markets, a variation of Windows 8 without this capability, called Windows 8 Single Language, is sold. This edition can be upgraded to Windows 8 Pro. Additional Windows 8 editions specially destined for European markets have the letter N suffix to their names and do not include a bundled copy of Windows Media Player. Microsoft was required to create the N editions of Windows after the European Commission ruled in 2004 that it needed to provide a copy of Windows without Windows Media Player tied in. Upgrade compatibility. The following in-place upgrade paths are supported from Windows 7. Note that it is only possible to upgrade from an IA32 version of Windows 7 to an IA32 version of Windows 8. An x64 version of Windows 7 can only be upgraded to an x64 version of Windows 8. It is possible to upgrade Windows XP SP3 or Windows Vista to Windows 8 Pro. The retail package entitled Windows 8 Pro Upgrade is restricted to upgrading a computer with licensed Windows XP SP3. Windows Vista or Windows 7. Finally, there is no upgrade path for Windows RT, as it is the only version of Windows that currently supports the ARM architecture. Comparison chart, notes. References